Good afternoon. I wanted to show you how you could quickly set up a project in Jira. So if you look over here on the left-hand corner, you will see projects. You want to just create the project. You'll see create project underneath the plus sign. You'll click that. You'll decide, or is it going to be a Kanban? Is it going to be a general service management? Is it going to be a top level planning, product discovery, what have you for each of your templates? We're going to go ahead and use the Kanban, and we're going to say that we want to use the template. And what we're going to do is we are going to create a project. So what we'll do is we'll select this. We will name our project. So we're going to just name this test. The key is any ticket that is put into Jira under this project will get this key. So if you don't want T1 to be included within the number, then you can change it to whatever works for you. I'm going to leave it T1, but you can again change it. And then any of your access levels, and I am going to do this one on private, and I'm going to create a project. Okay, so you will see your project is created. In order to add things to your board or to your